All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I'm out on my trike. I'm at a beautiful park still in the Palm Springs area. And I'm looking for a place to do a video. I want to talk about fitness and exercise, weight loss, riding trikes, and electric assist, and kind of put all that together. So let me find a quieter spot to do this video. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, everybody, I'm in a beautiful park near Palm Springs, surrounded by palm trees, and it's a beautiful day. And today I wanted to do a video about something a few topics actually that I've had on my mind. And last week I did a video about an assessment of electric assist after using it for a little bit more than a year. And there were some very thoughtful comments left after that video. And it reminded me that there's been a few topics that have been on my mind, and it seemed like a good time to address them. And I want to talk about fitness, exercise, weight loss, trike riding, electric assist, and see if you can't come with a way to put that all together. I know this is the beginning of the year. It's a time for resolutions, and we're all thinking about how to make our lives a little bit better. Sometimes it's fitness, sometimes it's weight loss. And I know for me and the electric assist, when I first started talking about adding electric assist to my trike, I had a number of people write to me, maybe on social media or email, and they really encouraged me to not do it because they felt like since they had added electric assist, their fitness level had dropped and that they were not able to achieve the exercise levels that they had before they added the electric assist. And so what's interesting about this is that since I've added electric assist to my trike, I've actually found my fitness level to have gone up. And it's just so interesting, and I think a lot of this has to do with what kind of fitness level you were able to achieve before you added electric assist. I know for me, I have always been such a slow cyclist that to ride more than 10 miles an hour was very, very hard. And then to get to a place that I call momentum, usually it's achieved 12 to 15 miles an hour, where it takes a good deal of effort to get to that speed. But once you get there, it doesn't take nearly as much effort to stay there. And you're working with aerodynamics, you're working with momentum, and you just don't need to put in as much effort to stay at this speed of momentum that it took to get there. Well, I was never able to get to that speed, and I can say that now that I have electric assist, of course, it's much easier to get to faster speeds, and to ride at 12 miles an hour is not such a big deal. But what has happened is I am able to move my legs so much faster with the electric assist that I'm actually able to achieve a much higher heart rate. And so for me, I'm finding that I'm able to get a better fitness level with the electric assist than I did without it. And some of it may be the motor that I have is 250 watts, and I don't have a throttle on the Shimano Steps does not come with a throttle. And so perhaps if you have a much more powerful motor and you have a throttle, then it's probably easier to work without so much effort from your body. I don't know. But maybe with 250 watts, it requires that I actually put in more effort than you would with another electric assist system. I'm not really sure. This is the only one I've ever used. And the other aspect of fitness, of course, weight loss is I find that if I want to lose weight, it's really all about what I eat. And I have a lot of experience with weight loss. I think when I first started riding a trike, I weighed about 100 pounds more than I do now. And for many, many years, I tried to lose weight through exercise. I thought, I just didn't really feel like changing the way I was eating. And I thought that if I went to the gym, maybe if I was swimming or jogging, using the elliptical machine, the recumbent bike at the gym, that if I just expended a lot of calories, that I would lose weight. And I have to say that through experience, that just never happened for me. And I think some of that is they've got calorie counters on these machines. And I think they really overestimate the amount of calories that you're burning. And then the tendency is to maybe not eat all of those calories, but you think, oh, you know what, I expended a lot of energy. I should be able to eat whatever I want, or certainly more than if I hadn't done that exercise. And I really found that I didn't have any success with weight loss until I started tracking what I eat. And I used Weight Watchers to achieve this. And Weight Watchers is a program, it's based on points. And I really think the success of Weight Watchers is that they ask you to write down everything that you eat. And so you put in your weight, your age, your fitness level, how much weight you would like to lose, and then they come up with a point system of foods that you can eat throughout the day, and they want you to stay below that food level. But really what they are asking you to do is to track everything that you eat, and you get to see exactly what you eat, and it holds you accountable, it keeps you honest. And through Weight Watchers, I was able to lose over 100 pounds. And since losing that weight, I have gained some of it back. And of course, now that it's the beginning of the year and it's a very common time to come up with some resolutions for fitness and weight loss, and you try to think about ways to make your life a little bit easier, a little bit better. And those are two very common goals to set for yourself at the beginning of the year. And so I think if you are setting yourself up for some weight loss and fitness goals, I would like to encourage you to achieve those goals. And that exercise, I highly recommend exercise. I think exercise is extremely important for a lot of different reasons. But if you're really wanting to lose weight, then you really need to keep track of everything that you eat. And so I really want to be supportive and encouraging, and I want to wish all of you success in your New Year's resolutions or whatever goals it is that you have set for yourself. And maybe you will find some of my recommendations encouraging and helpful. And I hope everybody remains safe and healthy. And as always, thank you for watching.